Alrighty guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night. Welcome to the new video. Welcome to New Age. Well, if you're new to the channel, we build assets. We're .com builders and we build real estate. It becomes your real estate downline. We build assets every week. Once we start this ball rolling and I get all my I's and T's crossed, dotted and crossed, so I can actually launch this properly, which I'm doing at this point. I'm pre-launching, showing you exactly what I'm doing before I'm launching type of thing. So I'm doing what do you call it, teaser videos maybe, I don't know. I'm just showing you what I'm doing behind the scenes, where I'm going, and when this is going to be ready for you guys to actually join me. It's a pre-launch that I'm expecting to start on May 2nd. May 1st is on Sunday, so Sunday we don't do anything. Monday we start, May 2nd. And this is content building. I have a content builder machine that I created right here, right? And we're going to use those prompts. I'm going to help you guys out, and then I create those prompts for you, some of them, and the content to get you started. Then I'll teach you how to create the same content, same assets, or similar assets, I should say. Nothing is going to be the same because it's prompt engineering. It's different for everyone. It's going to be different because different niche, different personality, so you can accommodate the prompt to your style, right? To your niche, to your products, whichever. But here you have an overview showcasing what I've done in the last 7 months with AI. And I have like 75 other videos like this in the content library. Once you get in, I'll put them in to the library, but it keeps growing. So to give you an idea what you can do, what you can't do, and if there's something that you see in here that you'd like to have created for yourself, and you like to know how to create these type of things and create toolkits instead of helping yourself out. It's going to help yourself out in a sense. It's helping me create all my content. So it's basically a big content engine that I created with my 15 years of experience online. So with the SEO and direct response marketing. So I baked everything into these prompts, which they were going to become GPTs, which I'm thinking really hard about it right now, changing it into GPT, so it's not only a prompt. But for now, for this course, it's prompt engineering, so I want to teach you how to better prompt the AI to get the output that you want. Because jobs are going to change. Jobs are changing. AI is taking over some of the tedious jobs, and some people are actually losing their job, right? Copywriters, right? Going to lose their jobs probably. There's a lot of them then, because I seen it online. There's a girl that said a copywriter, and what they were doing, they were training the AI, which she didn't realize. I know that's what it has happened to her. She was talking on it on a video. But what the company was doing, taking her content, dumping it into AI, and then the AI got used, the chatbot got used to the style, right? So taking her ideas, molding it, and then she got laid off. Now she's running an agency, but still her stuff that we're training the AI on. That's my personal opinion, but I could be wrong. So if I'm running a business and I have a copywriter and he's giving me the information, or he's putting it into this computer that he's using ChatGPT that's on the business, then eventually all these logs, this chatbot is going to learn the style of the writer. It's just, that's how it works. So I have a style. You can mimic any style. I have stuff on here I created like for script writing, book writing and stuff like that, right? It has arts, and I have everything loaded up like a 40-year professional in the scripting world as a director, and a 25-year-old experienced expert in the SEO world. So I created these engines for me, but I'm not selling any tools. I'm selling the training that I want you to train on. And the content that I have right now, I can give you the copy to get you started with your .com, with your site. What's real estate on the internet is the only thing they should be focusing on right now, because the future is going to be branding. Google is going to focus on future is going to be branding. Think about that. And branding could be a product, could be anything, right? It doesn't need to be you on camera all the time. You don't need to be a personal brand. Don't have to do that. No. Start with a blogging system that's going to promote your website, your entry site, your .com, right? While you're blogging, you're creating video. While creating video, you're sharing on social media. Some people say, oh, I did social media and I stopped doing social media and everything's working fine. But the main focus here, the hub should be the main focus, like a hub city, right? Everybody rushes it's going to rush over there to do something, like a hub city. Makes sense, right? Then you set yourself up for later on. If you want to do membership, then you have your .com. It's been there for a while. You've been blogging and you've been talking about what you're all about. Your front door. What is your front door, right? YouTube, Facebook. See what I mean? Your .com should be your real estate, your asset that you're building every single day. Build it up, build it up. And then share that content that you're doing on social media. Don't live on social media. These are distribution channels, traffic channels, right? Bring them over to your site. Then you'll get SEO down the line. Organic SEO, meaning organic traffic. People will come to your site. Eventually you start to get the wheel rolling, the ball rolling. Perpetual traffic will come in eventually. Then you drive all of this with video, YouTube long form and short form. And then you share it on social media. That's how the whole picture is. We drive traffic to. You do not have to do this way. As long as you have .com, real estate, and then every week we come on the webinar, we create you a website idea. And we come up with business idea or even assets that we built for you, and then you can put on your site while you're learning, right? That's the idea of me training people, is it's interactive. While you're learning, you're creating. While you're creating, you have an asset at the end. You don't really realize that's what's happening. That's what it is with AI. I created stuff yesterday. I was just asking about it, and all of a sudden it created me a prompt of the stuff I was talking about. Even better. Now I can create a prompt, create a template, a framework, give it to somebody else, and just like me sitting next to them. So check out what's on here. It's serious. There's a pre-launch. I'd like to have you, and hopefully that you want to do this kind of stuff and you get distracted. You see my other videos, I was kind of frustrated of seeing all kinds of stuff on YouTube and so much distraction, overload and stuff like that. Like, you gotta have blinders on. If you keep chasing this, you'll still be here 20 years. You'll still be here next year. The idea here is to get you starting fast enough that you understand it, that you see the potential of it, then you're willing to get on board and say, oh wow, in 7 days I'll have my own real estate on .com, and you'll know how to blog by then. You'll know how it works a little bit more. Then you just keep on going from there, creating calendars with our stuff that I created, the tools. I'm gonna help you guys out. At the same time, I'm gonna, teach you how to fish, right? Instead of just giving you a tool and voila, just run off. But that's not my style. I want to give value. I want your .com, you.com is all about you. This training is all about you, not about me. Because I did my work before. I did the trenches. I've been online for over 15 years, and IT in 20, I was so frustrated at work that I left 9 years ago. Here I am. I'm offering this to you guys. If those who are interested, right? You have no idea where to start. You're a beginner. Even if you're a seasoned professional, I mean, who doesn't need content and having a strategic way of delivering that content and a buyer's awareness intent, which is actually a best way of doing things, right? We're always improving these things, but you got to learn something. You got to start somewhere. You can't go on YouTube and start learning everything that's on there. And I see, and I'm shadowing. My light is too facing me, so it's creating the shadow. Usually I shove my light on the side. So check it out. I'm here for you, and hopefully that you want to get on board. We're starting May 2nd, pre-launch, and check it out. And there's a free tool on here that I give you to show you how this works. It's a funnel structure creator. Then I have another tool that creates the email, and I have another tool that creates the sales page. Come on board, get on board, and you'll get on our VIP list on top of that, where we talk about affiliate marketing and keep up with things so you don't have to. So you'll be on cutting edge all the time, and you'll have a weekly report about the AI world or business or whatever's going on, whatever's trending, right? Or whatever changes that we got to keep up with the things, because we got to keep up with what's changing and what's coming next. So that's where our team is at. Our groups, I paid lots of money to be in these groups way back. And now here's the fruition of what we've been teaching and learning. And this is it. Like, .com is the future. Branding is the future. Yes, you're going to bring your videos. Yes, we're going to use social media for sure. We're using all of it, but in a strategic way, right? You're building blocks every single day that's going to build a foundation for you. And you want to have a real estate. Then if you want to create a website down the line and flip them or sell them, you can. That's your own prerogative. Then you'll know. You'll be your own asset. You'll be your own real estate, because you're learning, and then you'll be documenting your journey. Just documenting the journey itself should be a great thing for you. So this kind of stuff we'll do. There's a pre-launch. Ciao for now, and I'll see you in the next video. And check things around, guys. See if this kind of stuff you want to do. I'll see you in the next video.